we have this explosion of satellite images coming up. And yet there are not many applications built. There are a million things you can see from images taken from space. It's like planetary scale data collection.
Correct.
And yet, if we are not able to value out of it, I think that's a loss for humanity.
Correct.
And that's where we've started Thatcher.
Wow. What were the challenges that you found while building models from scratch?
Well, first and foremost, I think the challenge was in talent because most of the talent in India is used to predefined black box runs
Correct.
and not the actual mathematics behind it. And we faced this challenge because most of the training data available was from the states, sponsored by companies who are. So, yes, for us, building the models from scratch required a lot more hits and misses in the kind of talent we are having, in the kind of conceptualization of how the model should operate, looking at similarity with existing pre-trained models, etc. It takes more time than doing it on black box model,
Correct.
but it also gives you a lot more edge. I think it's very important to first define the metrics of your input, output, every place. That is the entire philosophy of DQM, data quality monitoring. Any kind of anomalous information at the metric that we're tracking triggers
Yeah.
a manual check in the QC.
Correct.
And I think that's very important to understand because today, I don't see yet AI in any domain applied to normal flat file data or satellite images, not hallucinating, which
Yeah.
means human in loop is always required
Exactly.
to deliver the final business insight.
Correct. What was your experience at Cypher 2024?
Great. I mean, I was surprised early morning. So many people are here. You guys have great footfall and, all the best. This is the last day. All the best for today as well as for the next edition.